Hi, what's up? Welcome to 5 Minute Fix. My name is Jay, and today we're going to fix a leaking tap. Let's prepare the tools. Pliers, needle nose, and if you have this kind of faucet, you may need an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver to dismantle it. First things first, let's turn off the water from the main line. Next, let's loosen the handle assembly using a pair of pliers. I thought I got stuck on this one, but actually, I just had to loosen it by hand. There it goes, easy peasy. Now let's examine it and see what's wrong with it. It looks like I don't have to buy anything. It's just dirty. Plastic seems okay, the gasket is intact. No breaks, no cracks. I just took off the O-ring to reverse it. Reversing it will give it a better seal because it protrudes more. So when you reseat it, there's less chance of leaking. Just be careful not to damage it. Okay, let's clean it up. Gently screw it back in, making sure the O-ring doesn't get damaged. Okay, nice and tight. Let's screw everything back together and it should work just fine. I hope this is not too early of a celebration. Let's open the mains. And no dripping. Yes! Thanks again for watching the video. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button, please subscribe, and get notified. Until next time!